diesel gods have released another truck. Nah, I'm kidding. It's just the 2020 Ram Cummins. Whoo, buddy. It's cold. What the heck is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're talking 2020 Cummins. Although, they're calling it a 19. Not a 2020. So in the recent few hours on the line meaning on the internet, Ram has released their new heavy-duty lineup, which includes the Cummins. Now everyone's calling it a 2020, but on Ram's website, as I just looked, this is a confirmation, 100% confirmed, they're calling it a 2019. It is coming late spring 2019. So everyone's calling it a 20. Technically it's a 19, but we can still call it a 20. That's fine. We can call it a 2020. So anyways, guys, Ram has not updated their heavy-duty truck since 2010. They have ran for 9 years, whatever if you're going to call it a 19 or 20. They have ran 9 years with their body style, which is crazy. Like, that is a very long time to run a body style. Yes, they changed the grille, but that is it. The serious design of the body has been the same from 2010 until 2019. This is a totally, completely brand new, redesigned, complete truck front to back. I'm talking new engine, new frame, new body, new interior, new everything. So let's see what we're talking about. So the Ram pictured here has a completely new design, as you can see, from the previous model that ran from 2010 to 2018. So this Ram has a completely new body, which is exclusive to the Ram heavy-duty lineup. There is not one panel that is shared between the heavy-duty trucks and the 1500. This truck has an aluminum hood, I guess to save weight. Why would they put just an aluminum hood on? Is that much weight they're shaving off? This truck has hydraulic body mounts, new motor mounts, and a multiple vibration dampeners. So they are claiming that the interior road noise of the new Ram heavy-duty trucks are lowered by 10 decibels. So if you're lowering the inside noise by 10 decibels, that's pretty good. That's gonna sound like you're riding in a Cadillac. I feel like that one there is gonna see some crucial testing to really see if the interior noise was lowered by 10 decibels. So, well, there's a crazy noise over there. So you can you can see the whole design on the outside, but let's talk about the inside really quick. In 2019, the Ram 1500 had one of the best interiors electronically that I've ever seen. I'm into tech stuff like that, and the 12-inch screen on the center is killer. It looks like a Tesla. And the new Ram heavy duties are going to have that option of the 12-inch screen, which is very, very cool. Interior picture. Now, in my book, I definitely thought that the 17 and up Ford Super Duties had the best interior. I mean, this interior is killer. This is what I have here, 2017 Ford F-250 Platinum. And I absolutely love this interior. But the new Ram interior is looking very, very good. I cannot wait to go check out the interior in person, see that touchscreen. I guess I could go check it on the 1500s, but I want to see that new heavy-duty interior. It looks awesome. All right, so now that we have all that stuff out of the way, let's get to the real stuff, the real information that you guys want. The redesigned, completely reworked 6.7 liter Cummins engine. Now this engine is sporting a CGI block, which is compacted graphite iron. What the heck is that? I don't know. But they are claiming that it is not only stronger and stiffer, but lighter, with the overall engine weight of the new 6.7 liter Cummins being 60 pounds lighter than the previous model. I'm not sure how much 60 pounds is going to do on like a 10,000 pound vehicle. Like if you're running like a Ram 3500 quad cab 8-foot bed dolly, but 60 pounds, I guess, is 60 pounds, which is pretty good. So inside this engine, you have a whole list of new stuff with new pistons, low friction rings, a forged connecting rod, with the heads having a new rocker design with updated rocker arms, and you're gonna have new valve springs along with new designed exhaust valves. So I literally can't wait to see what kind of power this new Cummins engine is going to be able to handle with the forged rods, the updated piston and rings, and the updated valves and rocker arms, along with the CGI block. I can't wait to see this engine be pushed to its limits by you guys out there. So you're going to have two engine configurations that you're going to have available for the 6.7. You can either have the standard option or the high output option. The high output option is, they're saying approximately about 33 pounds of boost with 400 horsepower and 1,000 pound-feet of torque. That's a pretty good number on the torque side for a stock application just coming right from the factory. With the standard engine only having about 370 horsepower with 850 pound-feet of torque. I'm going to stay on top of that to see the exact difference between standard and high output internally in the engine, but I do know that the high output engine, if you opt for that package, you are going to have an updated Aisin transmission rather than the standard option where you're going to have an updated 68 RFE with better shift points. Now this is just all spec stuff that's kind of floating around out there right now. I do have bad news for the G56 manual guys out there. I do not think that the manual option is available coming on from late 2019 on. So that kind of sucks because that's where Cummins kind of stood out. They had the manual option still. So guys, let's talk towing real quick now that we have the kind of the specs all broke down. You have a standard factory tow rating of 35,100 pounds. Now that is a gooseneck tow rating. That is a, you know, your standard ball in the middle of the bed with your gooseneck hitch. That's not a fifth wheel. A fifth wheel tow rating, you're at 30,000. That is like astronomical for a pickup truck. I haul in the gas field, I do hotshot stuff. I've hauled multiple gooseneck trailers. I used to run a 3500 Ram Dolly with a 40-foot Gator-made gooseneck. And let me tell you, when I had that thing fully loaded, a 24.9 was a GVW on the trailer. I had that thing fully loaded. The truck could pull it no problem, but controlling that weight was the issue. So if you have a 35,100 pound trailer behind your truck, I don't think pulling it's going to be the issue. I think the issue is going to be controlling it. That is a lot of weight trying to throw that truck around. So, I mean, that is crazy weight. You'd have to be combo plated for like 46,000 pounds by the time you have your truck, all of your straps and accessories and chains, and then your trailer fully loaded. That's a combo plate for 46,000 all day long, which is insane for a pickup. I mean, I could see like a medium duty truck like a Chevy Kodiak or like a F650 or 750 or something like that, but I mean, we're talking a 3,500 1-ton dolly here that is going to have a combo weight rating of 46,000 pounds. That's so with that weight rating, the new 1920 Cummins might be the optimum choice for hotshotters and car haulers alike. Guys, we got some snow the other day. I'll shoot to when it was snowing. I took my dog for a walk. Look at him, he loves it. Come on, ho! Good boy. Right here in the baseball field. What are you doing? Come on. Good boy. It's your favorite time of year. He's a husky mix and he just loves the snow. It's unbelievable. Obviously he loves the snow. That's like what he was made for. But I forgot to mention on the new Ram Heavy Duty, they have the adaptive LED lights, which will turn with you as you go around a bend. Your lights will turn and angle and shoot and point around the bend, which, I mean, I don't know, is that really necessary? But it's a cool feature. So honestly, in my opinion, if you guys asked me if I liked the truck or if I didn't like the truck, I don't know yet. I really do not like the 2020 Chevys. I made a previous video about that. But these new ones, I don't know. At first, my first honest opinion right out of the gate, as soon as I seen it, first time ever, I did not like it. I definitely didn't like it. But as I've been looking at it, as I've been researching it, and as I've been looking at it a little more, and as it kind of sets in, I don't know. I might like it, but I'm up in the air still and a little skeptical on that whole front end design. But everything else on the truck, it's a little cold, but complete blue skies. I mean, there isn't a cloud anywhere. We got snow on the ground. The sun is shining. We're out here filming videos. Life is good. All right, guys, this doesn't look too steep, but kind of scared to go down it. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Whoo, buddy. I just had a super scary incident. Because I was gonna go down this hill here, but like, look at this. I'm sliding that whole way, This packed road here, still sliding, is complete ice. Whoa, I almost fell. I can't even walk. I literally can't even walk on it. As soon as I started to go down the hill, it slid that way, and I would have just went soaring off there. And the camera, it doesn't really look that steep on camera, but let me tell you, it is pretty steep. So what I did was I slid off into this ditch here and was able to get traction. I basically just hammered it in reverse and got out. I stayed in this little ditch the whole way back, but lesson learned there, I'll tell you that. I was basically getting traction on that hillside right there. But yeah, you can see right here, it just broke free, slid all off into there, and I just hammered it in reverse all the way out. Whoo, buddy. All right, crisis averted. Got a little mud on the windshield, but I am gonna get the heck out of this state park before I do something stupid and ruin the truck. But look, all the roads are untouched, and in the tire tracks are just complete hard packed ice, slippiness, sketchiness. So I'm getting the heck out of here. Man, is it nice out today. Look at that old abandoned garage over there, like. But anyways, guys, seriously, comment your thoughts on the new 2020 Ram Heavy Duty. I want to know what you guys think out there. I posted one up on our Instagram. Follow our Instagram. But all right, guys, that is about it for today. Let me know your thoughts on the 2020 Ram. Stay tuned for some more videos coming your way this week. Make sure to follow us on Instagram and hit that subscribe button and join the Modern Diesel family. I'm getting ready to head to the house. I will catch you guys in the next one.